Clogged drains are one of the most common household problems in kitchens and bathrooms. What a nightmare. Fortunately, clogged drains are also one of the easiest home repairs you can do. Most often, the cause of the blockage is food waste, hair, or soap residue. So before calling a plumber, give these methods a try. There's a pretty good chance that you can fix the problem yourself. Number 1. Start with boiling water and dish soap. This is the simplest and least expensive option, and obviously the one you should try first. Bring 2 liters of water to a boil, then add a couple of teaspoons of liquid dish soap. Take this mixture and carefully pour it down the drain. This method works especially great on grease clogs because it warms the grease back to a liquid, allowing it to flow freely out of the pipe. It may take a few tries, but you'll be astonished at how well this works. However, keep in mind that boiling water can damage plastic pipes. So if you have PVC pipes, it's best to skip this step and try some of the following methods. Number 2. Use baking soda and vinegar. This tried and true approach is fantastic for unclogging drains. Simply combine 1/3 cup of baking soda with 1/3 cup of vinegar and pour it down the drain. The fizzing action helps remove the grime that's clogging your drain. For the best results, let it sit for about an hour before flushing it out with hot water. Number 3. Try baking soda and salt. Another highly effective combination is baking soda and salt. These 2 natural compounds often work wonders, especially when it comes to clogged drains. This simple DIY method is not only effective against blockages but also excellent against foul drain odors. Just combine a half cup of each and pour the mixture down the drain. Let it sit for a few hours, then follow with a pot of hot water. These compounds combined produce a strong chemical reaction, which has the potential to clear most blockages. Number 4. Mix hydrogen peroxide with baking soda. Yes, you can use hydrogen peroxide to unclog your drain. Simply mix a cup of hydrogen peroxide with a spoonful of baking soda and pour this mixture down your drain. You'll notice a fizzing action which indicates it's working. Soon enough, the obstruction will be broken up and your drain will be cleared. Number 5. Pour down some Coca-Cola. Some of our favorite soft drinks are quite corrosive, which makes them unhealthy, but surprisingly effective as a drain cleaner. The best soda for the task is regular Coca-Cola, not the diet version, as you want it to be as harsh as possible. Gently pour it down your clogged drain and allow it to sit for a few hours. The cola will begin dissolving the blockage quickly and may even be able to completely dislodge it. After a few hours, just flush the drain with some hot water. Number 6. Use a plunger. First things first, there are 2 types of drain plungers. For toilets, you should use a flange plunger. For sinks, showers, and tubs, you should use a cup plunger. If your drain is completely clogged, remove the drain stopper and fill the sink with enough water to cover the plunger's suction cup. Then proceed to plunge using the same motions as you would with the toilet. The abrupt changes in pressure on both sides will eventually get the blockages dislodged and carried away. These methods provide you with effective tools to tackle those stubborn clogs in your drains, using items you likely already have at home. Give them a try before calling a professional. You might be surprised by how well they work. Number 7. Use a wire coat hanger. If the plunger doesn't work with the blockage, you can try a coat hanger. It's a simple DIY version of the drain snake that plumbers often use. Straighten a wire coat hanger except for the hook and wrap the end with duct tape to keep it from scratching the pipe. It's also a good idea to have a pail or garbage bag ready for disposing of your extraction. Then insert the hook end into your pipe and gently fish the clog out with the hook. This method is very effective in removing obstructions caused by hair or food particles. When you're finished, just pour some hot water down the drain to clear out any residue. Number 8. Remove and clean the drain trap. Clogs can sometimes form in the drain trap, which is typically located beneath the sink, inside a cabinet. First, clear the area and place a bucket underneath the drain to capture any water or debris that may fall out. Then carefully remove the P-trap from the drain pipe and clear out anything that's been lodged in it. Once you're done, simply reattach the P-trap and run some hot water through the pipes for a few minutes to complete the process. Once your drain is clear, make sure you're taking precautions to avoid blockages from recurring. Perhaps the most essential preventative strategy is to avoid dumping harmful items down the drain, particularly fats and oils, coffee grounds, food scraps, and hair. It's also a good idea to replace your standard drain stopper with one that prevents unwanted materials from going down the drain in the first place. You can also pour in equal parts of vinegar and baking soda on a regular basis, generally once or twice a month to keep your drains running clear and smelling fresh. Have you tried any of these or any other natural methods to unclog a drain? Did they work? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you thought this video offered some useful information, slam that like button and share with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, be sure to subscribe and turn notifications so you never miss a video. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.